Yeah, look at this. This is an A road.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
So, we stayed in this lovely little B&B last night, and we're getting a taxi to the start point because there are no buses. And then that will be it. Day 12, done. So, the start point for today, final day, is the Kinloch War Memorial in Laxay. And as often the case, you have a graveyard out looking at the loch. So the start for the morning, we've got to get to the other cemetery. Didn't realise there were 2 cemeteries in Laxay. So we'll walk to the other one. Here we have the North Harris Mountains. Wow. Here we are, day 12. The last day. Walking into Stornoway. So, we've got a taxi to get us out to the start today. But, yeah. Day 12, the end. I think we skirt a lot of little locks and have sort of 60% off-road and then 40% on-road. But as always, let's see where the day takes us. Boxes and boxes of ginger. And these are pens for sheep. Gonna have to look that up online to see if sheep love ginger. Oh, gotta say it's a nice view. Makes you realise there are some carnivores up here. When your peat raised path is so boggy, people walk beside it. Oh. Here's our view for the day. A 360 in southern Lewis. Nothing really comes out in photographs. It's so samey. But this is our turf path, slightly boggy, going up through there. Oh. We've already had about an hour through this landscape. It's hard work. It's not that you walk through a bog necessarily. It's just that the underfoot conditions are very soft, and on a fairly regular basis you come up to this sort of exposed peat where your foot just sinks in, or a section like this where it's a lot of exposed peat and your foot slips. So, not a complaint, it is what it is, but you're basically doing this for a few hours and passing the odd lake. And this can be your path. Your heart sort of sinks in a boggy area when they take you down into what is probably a stream bed. So, totally wet. So we come to the left of that lake, over the highest hill there, round that lake, round the side of this halfway up, and then up to here. And most of that was boggy. First time been able to see the path a bit. Not much to report on this particular section, apart from 8 kilometres of walking this turf path where it's collapsed most of its sections, and therefore you're just sort of walking through a bog, and I've already had my both feet under the water, so they'll dry, but yeah, look at this. That's the path, and the ditch either side is full of water. Take your choice. So, the Lewis Bog Bridge. Look at that engineering. Water goes there, goes through that hole, comes out here. Incredible. Going northbound after about 8k through the marshes, you get a bridge. Yay! Ugh. Over quite a little stream. The end of this boggy section. I don't think I've gone on about it much. Couple of deer just grazing just behind somebody's cars. Quick stop, ham sandwich. We've looked at this construction quite a while from a distance. In the end, something to do with the water companies. Previously, all the peat cutting clearly was done by a machine. This looks far more like it's done by hand, all laid out to dry. Very few cars on this road. Sort of the road that Waze would take you down. Wow. Second wildlife sighting of the day. A flotilla. Yeah. So this last day they give you 40% across a bog and 60% road walking. Although the large portion of the road walking is on this particular road. Clearly from the grass and moss down the middle, doesn't get used too often. Some cyclists. This must be on the cycle route then. Ooh. In the distance, probably a sea loch. That last bit of water at the top there. Not much breaking up this road, but one bridge. Yay! That's our little dipper. Come on, dip for us. Wow, middle of the flat landscape, quite a deep gorge, obviously about 20 feet. Ooh, less than a kilometre to go now on this particular major road with its grass and moss down the middle, and then when we get to the junction we turn right and we're heading to Stornoway and the finish. just dawned on me. This last bit of road we're on is an A road. An A road into Stornoway. No white lines. The single carriageway is fine, but incredible. Just arriving on the outskirts of Stornoway. So, not too far to go. And as we come into Stornoway, it rains. Haven't had rain all day, been very lucky. But rather poetic that the last few kilometres we get some rain. Apparently, we've still got 3 kilometres. Blimey. So we've taken refuge in the bus shelter. And it is tipping it down. The last bit of the journey through Lewis Castle. Ooh, the last few kilometres. And it's raining. We had rain, which we stopped for, but now we've got hail. Having spent days on desolate countryside, to see trees and flowers. Yes. Coming in damp to the castle. From the house, we're looking for the woodland centre, but apparently there is an official end point to the Hebridean Way. So let's see. This must be it. This must be the end. The Hebridean Way.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.